Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the roller ball. So let us see the parts required. We need 2 small C bar, 1 medium plate, 2 small bars, 1 small L bar, 4 wheels, a 60T gear, a 3060 gear, 1 DC motor, DPDT switch box and connecting cable. So let us make the assembly now. At first, we are going to take 1 medium plate and 2 small bar. Take this first small bar and attach it to the first column of the medium plate. In this way, such that the first 3 hole and the last 2 hole of the small bar is left. Fix it by inserting a ball through the middle hole of the small bar in this way and tight the ball using screw. Align both the pieces nicely and then fix it with the help of the screw. After connecting the first small bar, now attach the second small bar on the 6th column. In this way, there should be 4 column gap between the previous small bar and the second small bar. In this way, and then fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Now we will attach 2 small C bar to the small bar. Take 1 C bar and attach it with the small bar in this way and then fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Always after inserting the nuts and bolt, tight them with the help of screwdriver and spanner so that the balls remain tight. Similarly, attach the other small C bar in the same way. Now we will attach one motor to the small C bar. So take the DC motor and attach it to the small C bar in this way, such that the shaft of the motor is inserted like this and fix the motor using the screws. After connecting the motor, now we will connect a 3060 gear to the small C bar. Insert the 3060 gear through the shaft of the motor and fix it with the help of an axle lock. Now we will attach a 60T gear to the small C bar. For that, we will insert a metal shaft through the small C bar and insert the 60T gear through the shaft such that both the gear touches each other. Now fix the metal shaft from the other side using an axle lock. Now we will attach a wheel to the metal shaft. Insert the wheel through the metal shaft in this way and fix it with the help of an axle lock. So this is done. So now we will connect another wheel to the C bar at the front. So for that, insert one metal shaft in the small C bar and fix it with the help of an axle lock. This is done. Now insert a spacer through the other side of the metal shaft and then insert the wheel. And after that, fix the wheel with the help of an axle lock. Now we will attach two more wheels on the other side of the small C bar. So for that we will insert metal shaft and then insert the wheel through the metal shaft and fix it with the help of an axle lock. Attach the other wheel also. So we have connected all the wheels, and with this our assembly of the roller pod is completed. And now we will connect the motor to the DPDT switch box and we'll check the output. So we will attach the connecting cable to the motor. So when I press the button in forward direction, the bot moves forward, and when I press in backward direction, the bot moves backward. Thank you.